Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here. I am with Calvin Getz. He is the founder of Strategy Financial Group. Now, the big question for many of our viewers as they approach retirement is, will I be okay in retirement? So, Calvin, how do you help someone figure out if they've saved enough to be comfortable?
Sure. That's a great question, Jen. So when we meet with folks, we build out something called Retirement Analyzer. It's creating a comprehensive written retirement income plan that's tracking all the different sources of income, including how you should claim Social Security, any pensions if you're lucky enough to have one, tracking all the different assets you've saved in different tax buckets, whether it's taxable, tax deferred, or tax free, and then helping you figure out the right way to claim that income in retirement to minimize the taxes and maximize how long that money's going to last. So in order to answer the question, am I going to be okay? We need to build out that plan and we need to stress test it, including inflation, adding in healthcare expenses to make sure it's going to last through life expectancy.
Yeah, there's a lot of factors. There's a lot to keep track of. You and your team put together some great resources to help us sort through it all.
That's right. Our team put together this retirement kit, and there's a window of opportunity right now to make sure that you've built a comprehensive written retirement income plan. Only about 20% of Americans have one. So this is what we use to help answer that question, am I going to be okay? Whether you're nearing retirement, you've just retired, or you've been retired a long time, the tools in this kit will help mathematically stress test your financial plan, your retirement plan, and make sure that you will, in fact, be okay.
Just call, text, or go online, and you can get Calvin's free retirement roadmap kit. Calvin, thanks for joining me today.
Thank you, Jen.
And thank you for watching this week's Retirement Report.